Yo, what is happening, YouTube? It's your boy Kel, aka KRKJMPA. We're back here again. Today, we're gonna be installing that right there, that Boomba thing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. Y'all know my ST. It ain't that loud yet. So, since I ain't doing the exhaust yet, gotta get that blow off valve. We got that Boomba works, you know what I'm saying? Today, it's not gonna be much of a tutorial, but I'm gonna show you guys everything that you gotta do to install this bad boy. So first off, when you get your Boomba blow-off valve, it's gonna come with these right here. There's some screws. You got 3 screws and 2 spacers. And of course, it's all meant to fit directly on this lovely thing right here. But first things first, when it comes to doing a blow-off valve on your Ford Focus ST, you're gonna have to, first, you need a 5mm Allen key for your blow-off valve bolts. And then next, you're gonna have to jack your car up, and then you're gonna have to take your wheels off. Your blow-off valve gonna be right back here. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more after I get this stuff taken off. So, of course, safety first. Once you use a jack, always put a jack stand or at least your tire up under the car. Preferably a jack stand. And also, when you got stick, pull your e-brake or put something behind your wheel so your car don't roll. But I'm gonna be right back with y'all real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wheel off, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that we gotta take off right quick in order to get that blow-off valve off. Now, stand. Be right back. Okay. So, we got the car jacked, got the jack stand, took the wheel off, and your blow-off valve is going to be that right back there. That screw, and that top screw. It's a sensor right there on the top. You have to slide it off. I'm going to see if I can show y'all most of this recording. Hold on right quick. Oh, I got a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver. You're gonna need one. My rim's about dirty as hell. Let me know if I should plastic dip on. Drop some comments down below on colors and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Well, I'm trying to do something a little bit different. But here, this sensor, it should just slide straight up. It's like clipped on there. Matter of fact, I will be right back. I'm gonna show y'all after I get this crap off. And also, you can see it's a vacuum line that's on here. You're gonna need probably some needle nose. If you're not able to pinch it with your fingers, pull that back, pull it off. Your blow-off valve's gonna pop off mad easy. And once I get this off, I'm gonna show you guys how to put the bracket on and everything properly. So just bear with me right quick. Be right back. Alrighty. So YouTube, we got it out. It was 3 small screws like this. Here's the factory bypass valve, aka blow-off valve. What you're gonna take off is, it's a hose that's on there and stuff, but you're supposed to, I don't really know how to get this bracket off, so I'm gonna try and do this a stubborn way. Your screw's gonna go into the bracket, and from the bracket you have your spacer. So first things first, you're gonna have your bracket on, and you slide your screw through first, and you gotta slide your spacer on. And when you put the one that's for the spacer is gonna be for the top 2 bolts, which is gonna be about like right here and right there. And this bottom bolt, as you could tell, it's got an extra little lip on there. You're gonna have to cut that off. I'm probably gonna use my needle nose pliers. If not, I'll just be back once I have it installed. I'm gonna try again to get this clip off. They say you're supposed to be able to just push it off, but that shit don't budge at all whatsoever. So you got the concept of what you're gonna do, and then you just tighten everything back down. Put your vacuum hose back on here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna be right back with you guys after we get all this stuff installed. Okay, so that bracket, it's gonna be kind of hard to get off, so I advise you just keep on trying, don't give up. See, I cut myself a little bit, but I had to use a flathead to pry in there, and then I used some vice grips that I had right here to pull that joker out. But that's about the tightest little gasket thing that I'd have ever seen on a little car. But okay, so for your blow off valve, know what I'm saying, you gonna I'm gonna set it back in the box, that way I'm not setting my shit on the floor. But put the cap on the box back. Yeah, I was just talking about not letting it touch the floor, and that shit just fell off of my lap. Isn't that funny? Things work against you at the worst times. You're gonna pretty much just act like this is the car. You're gonna put your blow-off valve in. You're gonna set your little spacer right there. Well, really, you could put your screws through here first. That's what I would do. Put your 2 screws through, just like that. And this is where they say it gets tricky. You might have to cut this corner off, because with Boomba, they only send you a short screw. And with the short screw, if you, like, I don't have the spacer on there yet, but if you drop everything through, this short one is the only one that's not gonna reach. See? So you have to cut this corner off. That way you could bypass it, and then you're just gonna put this small screw in the 3rd hole, and that's gonna be all. But I'll show you once we get some nice noises and stuff. Know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. We're gonna be right back at you. If I was you, I would start that bottom bolt first, because once you put this bracket on, it's gonna be a lot harder to get past this. And also, like I was saying, cut this corner off. I just hit it straight with the cutoff wheel, grinded it down a little bit. But yeah, now you're gonna practically be done. Just put your last 2 bolts back in. I'm gonna be back to let you guys hear how this motherfucker sound. Know what I'm saying? Alright, YouTube, we back. Everything is installed now. Gotta throw the tire on. Give me a few seconds. I'm gonna toss this on. I'm gonna be right back, and we're gonna hear how this bad boy flutter. We're gonna hear it go. Know what I'm saying? Okay, so YouTube, we back. This how it sounds. I'm not sure if you can really hear that very well or not, but let's pull it over here. Oh yeah, that thing sounds nice now. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have some more car videos coming to you very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Deuces.